first pull of the trigger on the ARRMA Talion. Whoa, getting a little sideways, picking up hitchhikers. 4S. Woo! Running Eternity Rapid. Jeez, it's kind of noisy. That's just me. Whew. Whoa. Man, this thing is sick. Being able to just peg it around the corners. Woo-hoo! Alright, let's do some jumping and get it dirty. Alright, here we go. Talion. God, I have not driven my V3 Talion in years. Still have it. Needs a full bearing replacement, needs a full rebuild. Because last time I drove it, it was soaking wet, and I hate driving my cars in the wet for that reason. And all the bearings are stuffed up on it, and I just haven't had the time or the motivation to do it, but I think I will now. Man, it's nice to have a Talion back in my hands, especially this one on 4S. Very manageable speed. Brian's over there having some technical issues with his Vortex. I love the way it handles. The Talion has always been, you know, that really good handling truggy. Very windy, so apologies for the wind noise. It is very windy today. We've had one of the calmest weeks on record. I think we had like 5 days of calm weather, sunny days, frosty mornings, warm afternoons, and of course today being Saturday, the day that I can run these cars, it's freaking windy. At least it's not raining, but such is life. Gotta do work. Oh, first upside down tumble, and it wasn't even on purpose. It never is, but anyway, that was bad. Let's go on the bigger jump, shall we? Alrighty. Oh, straight through the mud. It's gonna get very messy, but that's okay. Oh, what was that? I can't believe that landed okay. You can see the pit is all broken up. Oh, just straight over the grass to clean everything up. No! There was nothing I could have done there. We just have to close our eyes and brace for impact. There's just not enough wheel speed on 4S. This really needs taller gearing. It feels like it's under geared out of the box. Or it's really geared for 6S maybe. Yeah, it's just not. Those wheels and tires, they don't give me a lot of inertia. So it's kind of hard to control in the air on 4S right out of the box. Oh, and there's the wheel. That's the second time that's happened today. We've lost the wheel. And block. Let's see if we can find the wheel nut, because believe it or not, I actually found the wheel nut of my last car, but I don't think I'm going to find this one. Okay, wheel back on, wheel nuts tightened, and believe it or not, we actually found the missing wheel nut, which doesn't happen very often. Oh god. Oh. Nah. Alrighty, let's get a couple more jumps in before my camera battery dies. and then we might switch this out for a 6S. For God's sake, really? All right, here we go. Yeah, we got a clean jump. Yeah, this needs more gearing, or needs more cells to do these big jumps. I will say it handles so good. These Talions are so good. Oh! All right, let's wrap this up. Don't you dare, don't you dare. And there we have it, the first run of the Talion 6S 1/7 scale. This is the EXB version too, by the way, in case you haven't noticed. That's it from me, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and I'll catch you all next time.